Let's start by exploring the payments dashboard on our platform. First, click on Payments and you'll see the option for Passbook. The Passbook displays all transactions, whether they're credits or debits. This includes shipping debits or VAS service debits. To distinguish between credits and debits, navigate to the Transaction Type drop-down. Here, you can choose to view only credits or only debits for any duration you select. You can choose time frames like today, last week, last month, or even customize it. All COD remittances are found under the COD Remittance tab. This section shows you how much COD amount Velocity Shipping owes you in the next cycle, what was remitted in the last cycle, the total pending remittance, how much has been remitted so far, and any COD deductions that have been made for you. For your invoice, click on Invoice and your monthly invoice will be displayed. To download this invoice, go to the Actions button. From there, you can download your invoice, itemized bill, VAS breakup, early COD bill, or platform fee, if applicable. If there's any credit note issued to you, you can view those separately under the Credit Note tab. Each credit note will be listed with a unique reference ID